Imagine if you could make bitcoins for every ad while you were watching videos instead of getting annoyed and waiting for that skip ad button. How about you just get paid? There is a method that could earn you money every time you watched an ad. Cool part about this method, you could do this from home and from anywhere in the world. Before I show you exactly how to earn bitcoins for every ad you watch, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more videos just like this. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at this right over here. Before we start, I can tell you one thing. If you don't follow the exact steps throughout this entire video, then result won't make you surprised. So make sure to stick all the way until end and do not skip any of the steps. Okay, first we will go to our first website coinpayu.com. You have to join it free and I already sign up. We will go to dashboard. See here you can see I have 78 satoshis in my main balance. So and I have zero point 0.0 points. We will go to view ads and then surf ads. Here you can find the ads. See this one ads, it will give us 7.8 satoshis for 60 seconds. We will visit this site. The countdown will start here as you can see here. Okay, we will scroll down. See as you can see 4 million views, 1 million views, 912,000 views, 3 million views. They have so many ads here. So we will wait until the countdown finish. Okay, see my ads limits are 46 ads today. So if you visit that site every day, it will increase the limits. So today I watched 12 ads. That one is 13th one. Sometimes it shows the captcha. Okay, we will go here. See, we have received 7.8 satoshis. We will check. We will go to dashboard. See, 86 satoshis. We can withdraw. Okay, I did not add my BTC address. As you can see, first we have to add our BTC address, then we can withdraw. So we will go to our next website. It's ads btc.top. I already sign in. See here I have 16 satoshis and this is the rating. The more rating you have, the more ads will show you. Scroll down, we will go to earn surf ads. They have many options as you can see here. Video ads, active auto surfing, short links. I was saying okay. As you can see the ad, if we open it will give us 2.1 satoshis. The countdown will appear here. See 14 seconds. Don't close this site before the ends. See, it added up here 18 satoshis. Okay, now we will go to another website. It's timebucks.com. I already have 0.601 in my wallet. So here you can the same process here. Go to earn, and you will have surveys, content, task, refers, and offer walls. Okay, we will quickly go to our next website, Play. As you can see, I have here 1006 coins, and we will go to earn coins. You can play games, play the multiplayer, refer users. You can complete the surveys, install mobile apps, watch videos. As you can see here, 1000 coins is about $0.16 and 352 satoshis. Okay, we'll quickly go to our another website, forbulls.com. Here you will have to log in and then crypto ads, earn crypto, and start earning. These 4 and 5 websites are the most demanding websites